Hi, it's Dimple here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by
Vendel Travels and Holidays, ground floor Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from abroad. 30 Sandalwood stars to shine at Stars Musical Night in Dubai on April 11th. Countdown begins for Indian Carnival 2008 in Kuwait. Here's what we have in our local news. Mangaloreans make a beeline for Jumbo Circus. If the executive performs duty properly, there is no scope for public interest litigation, says High Court retired Judge Justice Saldana. And in our entertainment bash, we have a Tulu song from the musical evening held at Town Hall, Konkani song from Salyale Soban, and a song with dance from Lorna Show held in Mangalore.
Vendel Travels and Holidays pleased to announce Cox & Kings 250th birthday special offers. Up to 40% cashback on European tours, up to 20% cashback on USA tours. Flexible tailor-made packages to suit individual needs. Romantic honeymoon packages, fascinating Far East holidays, exploring Australia and New Zealand, domestic and international tickets, visas, exploring our own country or simply taking a weekend break. Please contact Vendel Travels and Holidays, ground floor Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore. Phone 2447582, 4254881, 6452
News in detail. Music buffs in the Middle East are all thrilled to see their favorite Kannada stars performing on stage. Karnataka Sangha Dubai's Star Musical Night, a mega cine cultural musical extravaganza, will be held on Friday, April 11, organized in association with Zee TV Kannada channel at Al Nasr Leisureland in Dubai on April 11. The celebrity actors from Sandalwood Filmdom, including actor Darshan and around 30 artists from the state capital Bangalore, will be flying to Emirates Metro City. It will be the first ever mega event to be staged by Sandalwood celebrities overseas. Informing TV Daiji World about the event, C.R. Shetty, president of Sangha, stated that the Sangha expects over 2,000 viewers for the scintillating musical extravaganza and glittering variety entertainment show. In Kuwait too, Indians are gearing up for a mega musical show. The countdown has begun for the much-awaited event Indian Carnival 2008 at the Entertainment City, Doha on March 28th, that is being organized by none other than Hot Stepper, a wing of the Creative Indians Association. The evening would burst with scintillating performances by Amit Paul, the Indian Idol 3 lover boy, Ankita Mishra, the young and versatile performer of the Indian Idol show, and Vijay Ishwarlal Pawar, the king of Comedy Circus 2007, will be the other attraction of the show. Jumbo Circus is back in the city. The ban on the use of animals in the circus has no doubt affected the Indian circus companies. The ban has been in force since 1998 on the use of 5 kinds of wild and endangered animals by circus. But to regain the popularity, the circus companies have worked hard to find out new acrobatics and some interesting tricks. Jumbo Circus, one of the oldest circus companies of India, has managed to achieve success in this. The circus company, which is camped in the city, is attracting a large number of audience. The onslaught of television and multiplex structure has not reduced the popularity of circus in the urban areas. This is true in the case of Mangaloreans. They are making a beeline to Jumbo Circus, which has arrived in the city. People of this coastal city are all thrilled to watch the Jumbo Russian Circus, which pitched its tent at Karavali Utsava grounds at Lal Bagh from February 15th for 45 days. 600-member circus troupe is staging 3 shows a day at 1 p.m., 4 p.m. and 7 p.m.
Camera and video. Volley catch. Sharleen. बाबू क्या हुआ सर होली पासिंग शाहबाज अरुण कुमार मुसलमान शमीर
Circus is drawing a large number of visitors who are enthralled by breathtaking acrobats of the circus crew. The death-defying acts of Russian artists are the highlight of the show. The circus also comprises of animals such as elephants, camels and birds from India and abroad. The antics of animals leave the audience spellbound. The tickets are valued from Rs 25 to Rs 150, but school children are given 50% discount. The show includes many thrilling displays by the artists. Jumbo Circus, with its history of 31 years, has arrived in the town after touring the country. Among the circus troupes, it has the credit of introducing Russian artists for the first time in India. Distinguished national leaders such as late Indira Gandhi, EMS Nambudiri Pad, Jyoti Basu, N.T. Ramarao and E.K. Nayanar were among those who had witnessed the show over a period of time. Public interest litigation is considered as an invaluable and innovative judicial remedy. But at the same time, legal experts, Indian government and even the media have been expressing concerns over the misuse of public interest litigation in the country. Retired High Court Judge Justice Michael F. Saldanha discussed about this and other issues related to public interest litigation at a talk held by SDM Law College at its auditorium on Wednesday, March 5th. SDM Law College organized a talk on public interest litigation at its auditorium on Wednesday, March 5th. The former High Court Judge, Justice Michael F. Saldanha, was the resource person. Justice Saldanha opined that it is wrong to say PIL is false litigation. There is scope for misuse, but that is not a problem because PIL is only a channel to get justice when the executive fails.
I want to remind you of the fact that public interest litigation, the powers which the High Court and the Supreme Court exercise under Article 226 of the Constitution or 32 of the Constitution, are not a situation whereby the courts go and stray into various areas, or that they, not a situation whereby they just do what they want. The fact of the matter is, my friends, that the High Courts and the Supreme Court are invested with what are called inherent powers, as all of you know.
Saldanha also expressed concern that the courts are not taking any suo motu action, although media are exposing cases of injustice every day, and asserted that if the courts are serious about providing justice, they must intervene. Dr. B.K. Ravindra, principal of the college, was present on the dais. There is much more coming up after this break, so stay tuned to TV Daiji World.
Wendy Travels and Holidays pleased to announce Cox & Kings 250th birthday special offers. Up to 40% cashback on European tours, up to 20% cashback on USA tours. Flexible tailor-made packages to suit individual needs. Romantic honeymoon packages, fascinating Far East holidays, exploring Australia and New Zealand, domestic and international tickets, visas, exploring our own country, or simply taking a weekend break, please contact Wendell Travels and Holidays, ground floor, Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore. Phone 2447582, 4254881, 6452
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.